A circle has a radius of 2.1 inches. The area of the circle is b pi square inches, where b is a constant. What is the value of b? So the area of a circle, circle area is equal to pi r squared, where r is the radius of the circle. So in this problem, we're given the radius and the area of the circle. So all we need to do is plug these two into our formula. So we're going to plug b pi as the area. So we'll replace a circle with b pi. And then replace r with radius 2.1. So pi times 2.1 squared. So we can divide both sides by pi, cancel out the pi. So we'll be left with b equals 2.1 squared. And if we put that into our calculator, 2.1 squared is just equal to 4.41. So b equals 4.41. So that's the value of b, 4.41.